Congress na laingak pairingida Manipur Legislative Assembly gi Speaker amadi Minister Oiram Laba Singzamai AC gi Hannagi MLA Irengbam Hemochandra National People's Party gi National Vice President Haplakkhre Hiramasi matangda NPP gi National President Oiriba Meghalaya gi Chief Minister Kornat ke sangmana ngasi thokpa cherolamagi matung ina NPP gi Constitution gi Article 11 na National President ta piba power gi makhada Irengbam Hemochandra bu party asigi National Vice President oina kumja inglisingani gi kunmanga dagi inglisingani gi kunipan fawba thau punana bakhalle haina notification adu da phone rakle Panbayabadi Irengbam Hemochandra ase Congress ki matamda Singzamai AC dagi Mikhal Mangarak mai paktuna Manipur Legislative Assembly gi Speaker oirambata natana Minister su oiramlaba politician amani Mahak mamang chahi gi March ki tang 38 da Congress Party dagi resign tawduna political party amatada yaudana leirakibani Nakalamaromda handakta nauna NPP Manipur unit ki President Haplakkhre Dr. Lorho S. Force na ngarang thorakpa cherolamada NPP Manipur asi mapangal kankhatnanaba State Executive Committee da office barrier oina Dr. P.S. Jila Sana Sarmasu Senior Vice President Maivam Dhanabirbuna General Secretary Organization amadi Lakpachui Sirobuna General Secretary Administration nauna puhankre hari